busy with household chores. Let's get started. Babysit. Babysit. Examples. I've found a part-time job to babysit 2 children via an employment agency. I've found a part-time job to babysit 2 children via an employment agency. As my sister is admitted to a hospital, I've spent a half-day daily to babysit for her. As my sister is admitted to a hospital, I've spent a half-day daily to babysit for her. Bake. Bake. Examples. I usually bake for 10 minutes in a preheated oven when making a homemade pizza. I usually bake for 10 minutes in a preheated oven when making a homemade pizza. I've chosen my best baking recipes to tackle when treating my relatives at home. I've chosen my best baking recipes to tackle when treating my relatives at home. Defrost. Defrost. Examples. Frozen prawns are perfectly fine because it's convenient for me to defrost and cook them immediately. Frozen prawns are perfectly fine because it's convenient for me to defrost and cook them immediately. Please defrost the chicken thoroughly, either in a microwave or the fridge before cooking. Please defrost the chicken thoroughly, either in a microwave or the fridge before cooking. Dust. Dust. Examples. Please follow the simple cleaning tips to dust your furniture properly. Please follow the simple cleaning tips to dust your furniture properly. You should dust your home before vacuuming because dirt will fall on the floor. You should dust your home before vacuuming because dirt will fall on the floor. Drill. Drill. Examples. To better utilize the space of the living room, I drill several holes in the wall and hold the newly bought television. To better utilize the space of the living room, I drill several holes in the wall and hold the newly bought television. The rental agreement clearly stated that the tenant was not allowed to drill holes in the wall. The rental agreement clearly stated that the tenant was not allowed to drill holes in the wall. Hang. Hang. Examples. It'll be sunny today afternoon. Please hang up the clothes on the balcony. It'll be sunny today afternoon. Please hang up the clothes on the balcony. As my husband turns 40 tomorrow, I've arranged a party with decorations hung down from the rooftop. As my husband turns 40 tomorrow, I've arranged a party with decorations hung down from the rooftop. Laundry. Laundry. Examples. The weather is not good and it's raining outside. Please help to do laundry and ironing tomorrow. The weather is not good and it's raining outside. Please help to do laundry and ironing tomorrow. Can you tell me how to separate laundry? Is it by color or fabric type? Can you tell me how to separate laundry? Is it by color or fabric type? Mow. Mow. Examples. I've to mow the lawn at least once a week to avoid weakening the grass. I've to mow the lawn at least once a week to avoid weakening the grass. As my new house has a big garden, I'm tired of spending 1 hour to mow the grass weekly. As my new house has a big garden, I'm tired of spending 1 hour to mow the grass weekly. Organic. Organic. Examples. Please help to buy some chickens and beef. I listed out the brands which provided the best organic feed. Please help to buy some chickens and beef. I listed out the brands which provided the best organic feed. To live healthily, we should consider organic vegetables. We can then minimize eating toxic pesticides. To live healthily, we should consider organic vegetables. We can then minimize eating toxic pesticides. Repair. Repair. Examples. Due to the aging toilet, it isn't worth repairing. I'll install a new intelligent toilet instead. Due to the aging toilet, it isn't worth repairing. I'll install a new intelligent toilet instead. I'll get my oven repaired before the housewarming party. I'll get my oven repaired before the housewarming party. Sanitize. Sanitize. Examples. The purpose of sanitizing your washing machine is to eliminate bacteria and prevent mold growth. The purpose of sanitizing your washing machine is to eliminate bacteria and prevent mold growth. I would take extra care of the cleanness of the toys and playing areas by sanitizing them. I would take extra care of the cleanness of the toys and playing areas by sanitizing them. Separate. Separate. Examples. We should build our habit to separate food waste from other rubbish by using a food waste collection bin. We should build our habit to separate food waste from other rubbish by using a food waste collection bin. The government encourages households to separate and dispose of food waste appropriately. The government encourages households to separate and dispose of food waste appropriately. Scrub. Scrub. Examples. My cousin has drawn some pictures on the wall of my house. I've to scrub at them for an hour. My cousin has drawn some pictures on the wall of my house. I've to scrub at them for an hour. Before Chinese New Year, I usually scrub the whole house clean, with the meaning of removing bad luck of the coming year. Before Chinese New Year, I usually scrub the whole house clean, with the meaning of removing bad luck of the coming year. Tidy. Tidy. Examples. We've moved to a new house. Please tidy up your room before the arrival of our guests. We've moved to a new house. Please tidy up your room before the arrival of our guests. The deadline of submitting the proposal is tomorrow. Please tidy up your documents within the end of today. The deadline of submitting the proposal is tomorrow. Please tidy up your documents within the end of today. Tighten. Tighten. Examples. The electrician uses the wrench to tighten the screw so that the microwave does not fall on the floor. The electrician uses the wrench to tighten the screw so that the microwave does not fall on the floor. My father was laid off by the employer. All family members have to tighten our belt and spend less money. My father was laid off by the employer. All family members have to tighten our belt and spend less money. Vacuum. Vacuum. Examples. My little naughty children have poured out the juice at the mat. Please help to vacuum the floor. My little naughty children have poured out the juice at the mat. Please help to vacuum the floor. Please be reminded to vacuum the same spot more than once, especially for the high-traffic areas. Please be reminded to vacuum the same spot more than once, especially for the high-traffic areas. Walk. Walk. Examples. I walk the dog every morning. It's good for my pet's health. I walk the dog every morning. It's good for my pet's health. I feel my dog specially vigor and sociable when walking my dog at the pet garden. I feel my dog specially vigor and sociable when walking my dog at the pet garden.